Take a picture.
Eat, eat. Daddy wants to take a picture eating.
Why I'm singing now? Why I have to sing now?
Oh.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
With a...
No. And on his farm he had a pig,
E-I-E-I-O.
with a crack.
If it isn't, I looked at it, it's not bubbling yet.
We're
still a little very chilled.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay.
And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. Moo here, moo moo there, here, here, moo there, moo, here, moo there. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Daddy, not me. I'm gonna read, okay? His farm he also spoke, and it wasn't just a word. It was a whole sentence, and that sentence was...
Save that cheese. I didn't use all the cheese. Save it.
Eric, what'd you make on that page?
What?
What'd you make?
On a
What'd you make there? What's that?
balloon?
A balloon.
Yeah, I made it.
Wow. What color did you make it?
Red.
Pretty.
I love red.
I love
Daddy,
red
look.
too. I like red balloons.
Yay! There's doll now and baby, and I gotta find the other one.
What'd you have for breakfast this morning, yeah? Bless you. Oh, bless you.
Here's a funny one.
Bless you.
TNT.
Oh my, bless you. Big sneezes. What'd you have for breakfast this morning?
Oh, I had Tola.
Oh, was it good? Yeah. What'd you have for fruit?
Apple.
Cool.
I had Tola for breakfast.
You did?
Yeah.
With milk?
Yeah.
Whoops. Careful.
Elect. Will you draw one for me? So I'm going to this book. Will you draw one on my paper? Hang on. Bike.
This is our lovely home.